My name is Jimmy. I work with K&R Mechanical Services. We specialize in commercial plumbing and HVAC, and today we're going to be showing RectorSeal's new adjustable floor drain.
The strainer features 3 holes that can use to adjust the height after the concrete pour, with up to 1 inch of vertical adjustment. SureGrade features a protective cap to protect the pre-installed strainer from any construction wear and tear. The contractor or installer can use the provided adjustment tool found in the protective cap. The drain comes standard with a 1/2 inch NPT trap primer knockout and is available in both PVC and ABS connections. SureGrade is installed like any other commercial floor drain. Start by connecting the drain to the DWV piping system using the product's measurement to estimate where the finished floor will be. Next, the flooring contractor will pour and finish the concrete slab. With our protective cap and post-concrete pour adjustment tool, the flooring contractor can just install the concrete flush with the top of the cap for a smoother finished floor. During this whole process, the protective cap has taken the abuse of your typical job site and prevented any debris from going down the DWV system. After the concrete is poured and the finished tile is installed, the protective cap can be removed using needle nose pliers. Embedded in the cap is the adjustment tool, a 4mm Allen key. SureGrade features 3 adjustment points on the top grate, and with the provided tool, the grate can be adjusted vertically up to 1 inch to provide a clean, leveled finished floor drain. There's no need to carry extra shims or longer screws. Everything you need is included for a faster and easier floor drain installation.